State agents are clearing homeless encampments in New Orleans. This morning, they began the process of moving people to a temporary shelter opened by the state on France Road. Paul Murphy reports.
The operation started before sunup. Louisiana State Police Troop NOLA, Wildlife and Fisheries agents, and Department of Transportation crews are in the process of clearing New Orleans homeless encampments. Earlier this week, residents living in public spaces around the Caesars Superdome, French Quarter, Interstate 10, and U.S. Highway 90 were notified that tent cities would be off limits ahead of the Super Bowl and Carnival festivities.
We are engaging the encampments to provide relocation of personal property, transportation, as well as remediation of the encampment sites to free them of debris and other type of materials.
Coach buses took the homeless to a new temporary shelter set up in a Port of New Orleans warehouse about 15 miles from downtown on France Road along the Industrial Canal. The transitional center will provide up to 200 residents with a warm place to stay, shower and bathroom facilities, food, mental health and medical services, and transportation to and from jobs and doctor appointments.
We're going to assign everybody to a case manager. We're going to get their schedules down, and we'll schedule our runs around that.
The shelter will cost the state about $16 million for up to 90 days. The Baton Rouge-based Workforce Group was hired by the state to operate the facility. According to shelter coordinator Stacy Horn-Koch, they are working with Unity for Greater New Orleans and other homeless service providers. However, City Councilman Oliver Thomas told WWL Louisiana Morning News that neither he nor his colleagues have been briefed about the shelter.
Let's just hope it's a humane effort that considers these people not just for the Super Bowl, but for life's bowl.
The homeless relocation is expected to continue through Friday. That's when state agents are expected to officially close the downtown encampments. Paul Murphy, WWL, Louisiana.
We're told as of this afternoon there were about 100 people at the temporary shelter. And in a related story, as the sweeps in New Orleans were carried out today, the Jefferson Parish Council was passing a new homeless ordinance. It outlaws overnight camping on public or private property without permission.